Big news! YouTube just dropped 20 new features for content creators, and honestly, they are game changers. But here is the thing. Out of all the 20, there are 4 of it that you must know about right now. These 4 can save you time, make you more money, and get you more exposure, and even show you how to grow smarter. Let's break them down. First up, AI editing. If you've ever spent hours stuck in front of an editing timeline or paid an editor to cut out your videos, YouTube is about to make your life easier.
Edit with AI will be available in the YouTube Crate app and on Shorts in the coming weeks in some areas.
With Edit with AI, you can take raw footage from your phone, and YouTube's AI will automatically arrange the best parts, cut them into a story, add background music, sound effects, and even a voiceover. Think of it as an editing assistant that gives you a solid first draft in minutes. You can still tweak bits, but the heavy lifting is already done. This is built right into the YouTube Create app for small content creators like us especially. This means less time stuck in editing and more time creating. Number 2 feature I'm going to talk about that YouTube just released is monetization. I know you like this one because it is money related. Monetization or brand deals. YouTube is adding new ways for creators to connect directly with brands, basically turning YouTube into a brand deal marketplace. That is amazing good news for all content creators, and especially for those that are monetized already on YouTube. Here is how it works. In your channel settings, you can allow advertisers and brands to see certain insights about your channel. Things like video performance and audience reach. When you turn this on, it makes it easier for brands to find you and offer deals. That is interesting. This is only for those that are monetized. That means instead of you chasing down sponsors or waiting for emails, brands can come directly to you. More opportunities, less hustle. If you are serious about turning your YouTube into an income stream, this feature is a no-brainer. Go into your back end and activate it. For those that are monetized only, it is there. Just go and turn it on. Something like this you're seeing on the screen right now, you'll see under the advanced settings in your YouTube studio, and you can turn it on. If you don't have this feature, don't panic. You're going to have it in the future, so just know it and keep it safe so that you will not miss this golden opportunity. Number 3, I love so much, it's for both the small content creators and even for the big content creators. This is the time for you to blow up. It is collaboration.
We're excited to launch collaborations and a new feature in YouTube Studio.
This one is huge for growth. YouTube is rolling out a tool inside the studio that lets you officially collaborate with up to 5 other creators on one video. Here is why that matters. When you upload a collab, the video can show up in the feeds of all the creators' audience. That means instant exposure, more views, more subs, and even more watch time. This is a great future. Guys, look out for this future. Imagine being a small creator and suddenly your content gets recommended to the audience of a channel 10 times your size. That is massive growth potential. Collabs have always been powerful, but now YouTube is making them easier and trackable. And the last one here is
we're launching Ask Studio, a new conversational AI partner in YouTube Studio to help you get insights on your community, understand analytics, and find new inspiration.
This is YouTube's new AI assistant built right into YouTube Studio. So instead of you digging through analytics dashboards or guessing what works, you can literally ask it questions like, which of my videos are keeping viewers hooked the longest? Or what type of content is my audience responding to right now? Ask Studio gives you data-driven answers along with creative suggestions. Think of it as your personal strategy coach. guiding you on what to double down on, what to fix, and where to go next. For creators who want to grow faster and smarter, those are the 4 updates you need to pay attention to: AI editing, brand deal monetization, collabs, and Ask Studio. Together, they save you time, make you more money, boost your exposure, and give you smarter insights. The good news is some of these are already rolling out. Others will launch in the coming. So activate what is available right now and get ahead of the curve. I want to hear from you. Which future are you most excited about? For me, it's collaboration and monetization, because who doesn't want more opportunities to earn from their content? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about how you're planning to use this update. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe, because I will keep you posted as more of these features roll out. See you in my next one. Bye.